Hello guys and welcome to my channel Tech Explorer, and today's topic we are going to talk about mesothelioma and asbestos law forms, and all of these benefits that you're going to get, and we are going to talk in detail about all of these firms. So kindly hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you like this video, because we are going to talk about details about all these firms. So, mesothelioma law firm will best serve mesothelioma patients and their loved ones, because these law firms specialize in asbestos law and mesothelioma cases. Law firms can get compensation for patients and loved ones by filing a mesothelioma lawsuit, asbestos restaurant claim, and other benefit claims. So, what is a mesothelioma law firm? Mesothelioma law firms focus on asbestos litigation. They specialize in handling personal injury lawsuits, wrongful death lawsuits, and trust fund claims for patients and families facing mesothelioma. So, hiring an experienced asbestos law firm is your family's best step towards securing a mesothelioma compensation. These specialized firms tend to focus solely on asbestos cases and offer unparalleled expertise in this area of law. So, why do you need a law firm specializing in asbestos exposure cases? Because these law firms have developed an extensive resource to help with your case, including asbestos product database and historical case records, complex state laws. Asbestos litigation laws are challenging to understand and vary by state, making a nationwide firm the best way to secure compensation. Streamlined process. And asbestos firm's background and knowledge translate into a more effortless experience for you and your family through the legal process. Substantial rewards. Substantial rewards. A significant amount of money is at stake in a mesothelioma lawsuit, which can cover treatment costs, end of the life expense, travel, lodging, and more. Mesothelioma law firms have developed a deep knowledge and emotional understanding of mesothelioma and how stressful it is to navigate cancer treatment and health insurance. They also understand how terminal cancer diagnosis affects families and how important it is to spend precious time with loved one. So these mesothelioma firms, national firms, has litigated cases and trust fund claimed nationwide. So choosing a nationwide firm will give you access to a network of attorneys with asbestos case expertise in a state. They will terminate the proper jurisdiction for filing your claim within the legal time limitation to maximize your recovery. So, top mesothelioma law firms, the top mesothelioma law firm offer a network of experienced attorneys and a winning track record. Attorneys at top asbestos law firms are accessible, compensate, and sensitive to what you and your family are going through. So they will investigate your asbestos exposure and manage every aspect of your case, allowing you to focus on what matters most: treatment and your health. It is important to feel comfortable with the mesothelioma law firms you choose. They offer free consultations, so you can learn about their attorneys and what makes their firm unique. These top firms have a strong record of success securing mesothelioma's compensation. This kind of compensation helps families afford medical treatment, deal with legal wages, lost wages, and handle other expenses such as in-home nursing care. Lawyers who understand mesothelioma and asbestos law firms have intimate knowledge of the different types of asbestos-related disease and understanding how this impacts the patients and the legal processes. The teams of experts at this firm advocate for expedited trial dates and quick settlements based on the state asbestos laws that apply to your claim. They will also conduct a disposition as soon as possible to avoid situations of limitations, letting you focus on your medical care ability to document asbestos exposure. Firms specializing in asbestos have a wealth of deep industry resources and proprietary asbestos database file with information about asbestos products and contaminated job sites. Attorneys at asbestos firms will investigate your case in depth to discover proof of your claim. They will use this information and extensive database to connect your mesothelioma diagnosis to prior asbestos exposure. So there's no upfront legal cost and a fee case evaluation. Not every form of a free case evaluation, but dedicated mesothelioma law firms typically provide free evaluation, leveraging their nationwide network of attorneys. It is more challenging for local firms to provide this service because they operate on a smaller scale. The best firms also work on a contingency fee basis, which means you don't pay for the legal services if they don't win your case. So, national firms tend to have the best track record of securing compensation for those exposed to asbestos. For example, Witz and Luxembourg won a multi-million-dollar settlement in 2021 for a Navy veteran who died of mesothelioma. Simon Stanley Connery covered around like $34 million in 2019 from Ford Motor Company for a mechanic with mesothelioma. So that's it for today's video. We'll talk about more in our next video. Kindly stay tuned to my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the like button.